What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So yeah, today I'm gonna show you guys how to use global variables and like normal variables in gdevelop, of course. And just please hit that subscribe button. I really need that subscribe. Yeah. So let's create just say this is the player, a box. Let's say a black box is a player. Let's call him player. And let's give him player. That can be a player, and let's just create. Just say this is the platform or the ground. So let's create a player, put down our ground. So let's go start off with a variable, a normal variable. So first you're gonna left click on your mouse and go and edit object variable. So right here we're gonna create some stamina at 100. Let's say 100. And we're gonna create one more thing. Just say 20 by 20. That's okay. And just put it to green and have it here. So let's go to events and make that be a stamina bar. So just going stamina movement. I guess the player movement stamina. So I'm gonna say when platform character is moving, when the player is moving. Wait, let's not do this first. First, let's create the stamina something. So let's just say the size, scale it at the x, set it equal to the size, the width of. Wait. The variable object variable of player stamina. Now we're gonna look. I'm gonna show you something. You see this line go there. We don't really want that, so just go with this, press this, and by 50. Okay. That should leave that about. No, we don't want it to look. Let's say 20. Alright, that's enough. That's good enough. And just if you're moving, alright, that's okay. So we're gonna say now when player is moving, set a new object. No, sorry. Set player stamina subtract 1. We're gonna say that. Now let's play. So when player is moving, it's gonna like subtract. When player isn't moving, let's invert that. When player isn't moving, let's copy and paste this and just say add 0.1 but 0.2. I should give so it just slowly moves. Yes, so you can see it's loading back up loading back up and you can write down. So that's one way of using a variable. Now let's show you guys how to use a global variable. So first, we're gonna use it showing colors. So yeah, just say when player, let's call this box. So when player collage with that, collide with this box here, it's gonna change the color as a player. And let's create another scene here, scene 2, and in scene 2, when the player collides with that box over the other in scene 1, it's gonna change the color of this to player of new of this to white. So let's go here and create a new variable. First you gotta go in game settings and create a global variable and just set this to color. Let's say it's to 1. So just go in scene 1. First I'm gonna create some events here. So I'm gonna say when global variable of color is set equal to 1 to, let's say, to change the change the color, of player to yellow. So we're going to say when the global variable is 2, change this to yellow. So let's drop here. So as you can see, the global variable is still 1. So let's do it. Let's do this time. So so you're gonna say when player collide with box, set global, set color, set color, the global variable is color, set it equal to 2. Now as you can see here, when player collide with box, set the color to 2 on the global colors, 2, set player to yellow. So let's do this again. And nothing's happening. Why is nothing happening? When the global variable color is set equal, is greater or equal to 2, change the color of player to yellow. And when player is called, and at the beginning of scene, I guess. Zero. Say that and click now. And nothing is still not happening. Why is nothing happening here? So players colliding with box. The global variable should be set equal to 2. And yet nothing is happening. Alright, let's do something when global variable is to rotate player. Rotate player at 360. See if this will work here. So as you can see, I don't know why the color doesn't work, but this worked, and you can see the player rotating. Now you can see. Now let's go here and let's add an event again and say when global and the color global variable is equal to 2. Rotate new object 360. So if I open this, nothing happens, so it's not gonna rotate. Let's go in scene 1 and say let's say if I click, let's use an example. When I click left primary, no, when collaging with that new object, which is this one we're talking about here in this scene, change the scene to new scene 2. So look what's gonna happen. We colliding this, now it starts spinning. Now this is on the other side is spinning as well. So yeah, that's how we use global variable. As you can see, it can go between multiple platforms, and it's very awesome. Let's say this again. Then we mounted collision with your object and just see. Change scene to no, not to that. So as you can see, I'm starting off here. So when box collision this, we go over here, we go over here. Everything that is happening over here is happening over the other side as well. So yeah, guys, I think that's how you global variable works over here, and it's pretty amazing.